Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can stop files from going to OneDrive. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, click on the OneDrive icon located on the bottom right corner of your taskbar. If you can't find it, you can simply find this on this arrow icon and all of the hidden icons will appear inside it. For me, it is located in my taskbar. So click on the OneDrive icon and a menu will open up here. Select the gear cog icon at the top right corner of your screen and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside Settings, turn these two features off, and if they aren't, make sure to do so. Once done, click on the Manage Backup button at the top and turn off any feature that is turned on. After this, all of the syncing will be removed and your files won't get uploaded to OneDrive. But if you aren't satisfied, you can also try disconnecting OneDrive completely. For that, click on the Account tab at the left side of your screen and then click on the Unlink this PC embed. So that's basically how you can stop files from going to OneDrive. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.